We're very excited to release automations to public with the beginning of 2023. This has been a heavily requested feature from professionals of the AEC industry, as well as operations and facility managers. Automations unlock for our users the ability to create autonomous workflows by combining triggers and actions. For example, when an element matches a filter, then send an email to my teammates. If you really want to get their attention, you can send an email and a notification. Stagger actions to get things done faster. Let's jump to our residential project to see a couple of examples. You will find automations on the left navigation panel as a new section. Click Create an automation to set up your first one. I will give it a name and then I will go ahead and select a trigger. For this example, I want to track when a product spec gets approved by my client. I will select the trigger when an element matches a filter. The category is my product specs. Then I will add a filter that says when the status is approved. That is now listening for any product spec that gets approved. When that happens, I want to send an email to Zach informing him about the update. I can use field values as part of my email to auto-generate information for me. So the status will display as part of the email subject. The warranty expiration will show him when the warranty expires. Here, I can also send a notification to myself. That will be displayed on my screen and also on my cell phone where I have the Layer app installed. I will click Create Automation to save the automation. Now, when a product spec status becomes approved, those things will happen automatically. Another simple example is at a scheduled time to create an element. I want to be able to create a task at the end of each week for me to tackle. For this, I have a category where I'm tracking my team tasks. I will go ahead and create a new automation. I want to create a task for myself for every Friday at the beginning of the day to upload the drawings. I will select Add a scheduled time trigger and set the trigger for Friday at 8 a.m. The action will be to create an element. I will select the team tasks as the target category. Using the fields that exist inside my team tasks, I will set myself as the responsible member. I will also use the text area field to add a comment to not forget to upload the drawings. That way, every Friday, a new task will be created inside my team tasks category for me to follow up with.